here's a common issue. Not really an issue, but with these electric chainsaws, you plug it in. Just give you a little short demonstration. We had some tornadic activity last night and blow some trees over. Got one about to fall on my house, and I need to trim it up. First, we want to make sure our chain's not too tight. About an 1/8 inch pull. I don't know if you can see that. Should be about right. So there's a safety switch to hold this in. Make sure you got enough oil, of course. Nothing. A lot of people's been returning these because of that issue, but here's a simple little issue fix. Your chain brake or safety, because it kicks back on you. It's going to do that number. Can't work. Pull this through. Now she works. Now you don't have to take your chainsaw back. Like I said, just a short little video to show you don't have to take your chainsaw back. That's how you just pull your safety stay back, click it in, ready to go.